Please, I present to you Omunie. Omunie. Ohjoo, Lekzy, and a Parrot mouth. They are here. And then Crawford me and saying, I am a yassi to your fidye. Agman in here. Can I damn the baba yamu pa? Said them see far more plans pa.
One of them is a kill. I want the money and no pay. Aya eradia, we is right for no free and quaso. One of them is a kill. I want the money and no pay. Aya eradia, we is right for no free and quaso. What do you do? Muntia wasem. Muntia wasem.
That's perfect. 100 by 100. 100 by 100. This is the 80s. 100 by 100.
100 by 100. And Chine come for no. Obia catch say, what Tiana Wacha?
That's what I said with the
On sang.
Professional. Where the artist of the years.
Yeah.
Brothers
of Glorious Jesus. Yes.
And then Mupaya Capella. Mupaya Unama Capella. Ladies and gentlemen, brothers of Glorious Jesus. Hey.
Let's.
Auntie Cynthia, we will fool. Wait.
They say one of them are easy kill.
I want the money and no pay. Aya eradia, we is right for no free and quasum. One of them is a kill. I want the money and no pay. Aya eradia, we is right for no free and quasum. One of them mama grow with but the one of them was still short time. Well, Muntia was
power. My God. My God. Power.
At the EP, so.
Yeah.
Track 2.
EP.
I once said daughters, but woman and young bear for and to mean you. And I said that
yes, our remix.
Yes, our
remix. I'm a piano version.
And a woman, I'm a piano.
One of them are easy.
Muntia was
me pamucho. More
yeah, one R&B.
More R&B. Most of my R&B.
Say one of my easy kill.
One of them are
money and don't.
I want you.
I want hip hop.
You want hip hop?
New reggae.
One of them is a kill. I want him money and no pay. Eje eradia. Ochi is right for no free and quasum.
Eje eradia the he is right for no free and quasum. Eti mejemu. And you know Moses.
Me reggae version.
Konyaka. No. Gang, kereng, keteketeng, gang, konyaka.
Somebody go tip the song.
Yeah.
Now, someone mama high life version crowd.
High life.
Ke.
Asoda kese enko emma ye maame na na mama gra ono ka na sem bi se if you educate a man, you educate a single person. But if you educate a woman, you educate a nation.
Boom, boom.
Many my bravo. Yet your bravo him sir. You train who Ezekiel. Now Ezekiel way. Upon a bravo say he will never kill. He will never kill. One of them Ezekiel. I want the money and they don't pay.
Oh.
Ohjoo say, yes, open market here, pa. Ohjoo me buana.
One of them are Ohjoo. One day money per market here.
Radio.
Our confirming. Some of them way away.
Yeah. Living testimony.
Say up a big meat.
By the grace of God.
But the befia, or Tiabashu, so Omuntimi and Court, Ohjoo,
Me the lift.
And now I was here for Onua show time. Side edition way. To be honest with you,
Pacho, you
I did disclaimer.
Yeah, what did you call the
You did the version.
Oh, I did.
one of them is Ezekiel. I want the money, no pure. Hey, radio. What is right for? No free
Oh,
BBC. Power.
also.
Now, Mr. One of them is Ezekiel. I was even no pure. Hey, radio. Michael.
My God.
Mema.
Omanyeri.
Into I am what's
Oh, Gongo. Yes, Rena. Obaha, camera back,
me pacho. Where they were trying to spec. Open market for size bang. You to be a nimno.
We must have shares on them.
You so be at the whole Ghana, you can't be nimno. Ka.
Well,
What the cow no crack, our body be a man, canoe crack.
Minty cannot create. But presentable, I found Amanda GC.
Okay.
And AJ
Sapon.
Okay. O spec no.
Nyamia.
Amanda GC.
Yeah.
AJ Sapon. PM.
Is that the AM?
I never know secret. I didn't have one live TV, also say secret. Me there can hear na me who obi to say ye near ba the PM or qualify.
By the grace of God.
By Nyamiadum.
Or qualify. Not just say you who spec. The spec na dia me gyina hem qualify. Me boa.
Metimeteso.
High sense.
Yeah, TTC.
Who?
At least you standard now with Nano. Yeah, who there? I want to so Jackasana. Just why is a root no? What the Bube for Sam Sumaka? Now why?
Ohjoo for Lekzy dear. Means Ohjoo for Lekzy dear.
Parrot.
By the grace of God.
Bebre.
No, as for me,
Mike.
me bed there very to say so me pay.
Oh, bed
very small.
Okay, into
Yeah, so
anything goes there.
But not big. I don't have strength.
You don't have strength. Now when I say strength in a fro before.
Me name.
I miss be all strength.
Say ube mountains. Me dear. Debi.
Open the valley.
Small tea bread. Impaired sugar bread, tea bread, straight.
I tell you, no, Mama.
Perfect.
Debbie. Send me said tea bread, yeah. Who said tea bread? We have tea bread. All right, Zikakra.
I tell you,
no, wait, dear. I said,
yeah.
Sorry, me home, baby. Ready, baby. Okay, we be qualify next year by the grace of God. We the bank cook a crabby. Why shall we yes to dinner?
Nenti na me ha o spec pa bi ne dey. Oh sister Kokoyi Misra, oh sister Ade Bon say.
My God. My God. My God.
Odifoɔ kasa ne yɛntie.
Sum rias me home baby. Me home baby. Me home baby.
Magania yachu.
Who page just
Onipa.
My God.
Bazanu na ju na you.
Who page just you know. Only baby.
So for penny no kasa fansa go echi.
Who do fear? Who gate? Who gate? Why can't you me? A year ago.
Why can't you
Sister, sorry, Sam do at was a muate.
Who are phone? On network, on number no. Me who? Me to me bought on number here. We are sure. Me who 024 05 027.
Also train.
Who is the number there?
Also train.
Zero 05.
Our Jesus didn't.
Mommy, see me. Sorry.
The oracle of God.
See me who baby.
Kabibi.
Say me boy, catch me say me boy.
Kabibi.
Who are ex?
Jesus.
Who are ex-boy? Who are ex-boyfriend? God, power. Who they yet tonight? Sorry. Who take your mobile money to see her? Who be on sika wo?
And then so for boy. Only she.
Only she won.
Or the quick loan car.
Only quick loan. Kasa me boy. Kasa.
Mobile money says kada so.
Oh, power. Next week by this time. Next week. Uba studio. Next week by this time. Uba. Come on, catch and say prophecy. Oma 1,000.
Wakanya wayanyina di achira mi
Next 2 weeks.
Oba beje.
So Oma also just believe God before you die. Just be coming. So I'll say time by time. So only be now.
When you prophecy way there.
This.
I know thing.
Sa prophecy way there. Abrabomu prophecy pa. What am I to say?
Na say. International. Who visa? Who Togo? Who declare? What about I was a job Togo. International.
Lome to be
precise. Me who declare? So who need passport account? Koye passport. Now call Togo. From Togo.
Now call Benin.
From Benin, Nigeria. International door.
On Togo. Eja ko na kaya.
Country
Mim petiko.
US. Who pay US? Me now.
Onua go US.
Chama. Who are high test too?
Wow.
My God.
My God.
My God. My better baby chair.
Debbie, obua. Debbie da. Tia me, and some come.
I come.
Debbie, me, who they can show no one some. Who make her be in
Who was show on YouTube? She said I was starting series for YouTube. Say me boy, catch him. Say me boy. Don't. What serious? I'm talking no. I'm talking no. Say me boy, catch him. Say me boy. Me won't say Oshina. Nipa baku 100 be subscribe.
Ever subscribe.
You better subscribe 100 people. Who better receive and I won't receive it. Who they can? Oh, who better amen and I won't
Amen.
My God. Who better raw power? Young Casao.
Na show no. Nyanku ba ni di na ntro.
Also.
Make us
Kasa Shenkom. Go deeper.
Who that? Oh, power.
Mema.
Ube raw power. Carson.
Mema. Show ni dindi under the tree.
Raw power.
Mema. Or uploading at 10 a.m. Friday, bia. Mema, mejai.
Hey, this guy.
Ampa. Unim sa Lekzy ni mo akorisem kakrent. Oso atene ho. Ghana for unim. Aya. Yen enkom shamra na twam. Enkom shamra na twam.
My God.
Enkom shamra na twam. Ya wie kom shamra. Ya counseling bibi awie mfam cho. Asofo emu free anyame adwuma na momra honam. Ni enkasa. E woni padua no. Nyame ma momra honam mu.
Yawaha.
Yaba.
Maba.
Yabaha.
Let me see you shouting.
Shey. Muda mun kamu so na mun kona mitumi nyam. Eh mun kamu so na nti mobile. Na mitumi nyam adwuma.
Me na me show ni dikan. Next week Saturday. Nyame adomo a Snap Cinema. We are doing the second edition of A Fool in April. A stand-up comedy show. Tickets na for 100 Ghana cedis.
A Fool
In April.
in April.
Yeah.
April Fool.
Yeah.
Hey, inti na menya mu wa hai. They are going to be fooling in April.
A very, very affordable. A 100 Ghana cedis.
Snap Cinema.
Snap
Yeah.
Cinema. A me dying for front e wa Accra Central. Emuna Snap Cinema ewo.
Okay.
Ticket 100 Ghana cedis. And 180 for double.
Okay.
And 150 for VIP. Ope bia to ultimate for phone mobile money was so just dial *714 *800 hash.
*714 *800 hash.
Na what ticket do ope bia ye no loan kem ope bia ye beton ama enya me pen me perform ye wo Ben South, one of the comedies.
TikTok Ben South.
Ben South.
TikTok Ben South.
Ben South daso me akasa me daso Parrot mouth or tea daso Kojo PJ daso chemical so daso and you dey nyombe brain on the night trigmatic. That day we are doing just live band inti oba. It's not just comedy. Obenya the chance to listen to good music from
dance well.
I'll be better ticket be a guest a bag of rice from FVV Rice. Into total ticket 100 cedis, amount 5 kg. And more back was a
ticket.
Like as you the chair and I think so asempa fee graphics and so bema power banks, marks, umbrella name so toy, maybe with many branded umbrellas from my sponsors. It is on to ticket ultimate Tony CCR before the time.
100 Ghana no. Or Jamua umbrella na power bank
account.
Sir?
Aside comedy nini and you na be experience.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow, anyway they are
more short code ni bi na. Short code near *714 *800 hash. *714 *800 hash. That Tony is here before I do gates near catch us so. We were regular seeker, but yes, I can VIP seats pay. And now we see na what to.
I get in the
Obenya bi, but what I do na seat open no. Na no de na aton manasa na kwa ha adwin. TCC and ultimate talk.
A Fool in April.
Yeah, I was Snap Cinema.
Snap Cinema. Lekzy, you are growing.
Yeah.
And I'm happy.
Yeah.
Because I reflect on
Nyame adom.
me difference.
Say me rob me ho about growth ni wo be bia.
Wrong.
David, don't worry. Leave it. I saw something.
Odifoɔ akasa.
Don't worry. Leave it.
Hey, we need a chance and come us. Some make us na be chama no a. We need a chance and we do want to interview we need.
Lekzy. Tie.
Na kawabo. It's a Fool in April so I. Yeah, kwa he. Ohjoo.
Yeah, called TED Talks.
TED
Talks, yeah, TED Talks. On the 19th of April, College of Physicians and Surgeons.
Okay.
Yeah, and also no TED Talks mean inspiration no free TEDx. You show YouTube yeah be. And we comedy show yeah the PowerPoint slides. yeah. Into comedians go perform be the PowerPoint. Yeah. And thought tickets so I'm sponsored by Eva coconut oil, Eva virgin coconut oil. Also, ebe mama chedi kakra. Yeah. Into over so 150 cedis regular and 250 VIP. Now short code near *714 *11 *35 hash. *714 *11 *35 hash. And so some conco bounce on Yakupon Bishrow. Na be amount because me no musrebu me so a says ohwe manima sisi am say obi be ware next week obi obeje age o de hwe obi age na obi nso ebe wo next year obeje age usika nso odoso enti mo pesika no enti mo nto tickets no enti on the 19th of April Easter Saturday TED Talks. Enti third no mechrasia
TED Talks.
Yeah.
3
Yeah.
TED.
That be TURD third. Enti third no rofono ebeka say SHIT. Sa word no. So it's just like you speaking your mind. American ebeka say talking your SHIT.
Yes, mean can word no. The best spell ya.
Yeah, enti you are speaking your mind but with the PowerPoint slides. Enti enkofon be fa topic. Na my na conform that. Yeah, very interesting. Timon be experience we be. Clemento Suarez that so, General Tatia that so, Lekzy that so, Chemical, Jerry Papaya or PJ, and afi Yebenya Magic and so Bernard the Magician, and if you Barcelona, and so that so.
Wow. TED Talk. Nessa dana hobede.
Hobede pa.
Yebedi nkomo bia bi.
Nkomo bia bi. Nkomo bia bi.
In and out.
Yeah.
Madam for Ogunso Kelos inquet and outquet. Ni nyina wo mu. Eno ano no.
My God. Kasa. Min kasa. Oh my kasa. Free.
Odifoɔ de ɔwɔ ne nan a ɛyɛ na nsɛm nkwanti.
Unim yapon. I was on this note.
Allow God to use you.
Allow God to. I can be chawaja. Safo.
Mommy.
Say we are sorry and I am WOHO.
By the grace of God. Maybe I'm sorry.
Onua show time so.
Say me members name.
O members name. And the patron am there. Now Parrot.
Mommy.
Parrot ma.
My God.
Wa no otro.
Yeah, pink lip.
O can be bi. Na also e wo beja wo mu ana also ye show.
Me there 27th.
Yeah.
27th.
Na so dey na we atwa to.
Kra me last killer. So me pese who was sika 100 cedis 150. So a full in April. So 100 cedis wa ha. After 150 wa ha. So 150 wa ha after 100 wa ha.
Now dey na.
Me dey near 27th. Wo ba we a wo be hu me. Now we better ticket no. So market strategy no.
Who strategy no?
So to tickets. One thing about the work is support. Yes, we have to support. My event is far, 27th April.
Into crowd all time about promo no.
Focus on my brothers.
Okay.
Buy their tickets. Come and support them. If they grow, I grow.
Yeah, because we will see you here.
Yes.
We will see you here.
So buy their tickets.
After them, we want to see yours.
Yes, 27th April.
Ebasoai.
Bayview Village.
Bayview.
Atomic.
Yes,
Achohonom.
Oh, okay.
Yes, so I'm using the whole place.
The whole place. Obi ameda obi.
David.
Obi a onkwa.
Be call ofie koda.
Oh.
So uba u free kaswa na winiba na uba member hotel free. So worry so.
David o. Can they over to me here?
Say make say wait nation no be ma EVV rice. Say me dey make am there. Who o ka EVV rice no who be say say Pastor who free kaswa and now free winiba. Say me sponsor so. Who free kaswa, who free way, who free only fear bra. Mema who beda hotel free. Mema we journey breakfast, dinner, lunch. So who person who check it out and now who tia scan.
Who you Jenny?
Businessman.
Who you Jenny?
Why Nigerian? Nigeria.
They boy Jenny.
Why Nigerian?
Ampa.
Yeah.
And because ne ton nation, you know.
Yeah.
Me who say it that's why I
offer road into offer I go for cool. See, border na no cause my border park. Ohjoo accent ne kakra de.
Yo. So
27th April.
Bayview
Village.
What time?
5 p.m. So it's going to be myself, some of my friends from Nigeria.
Okay.
Then Offa Acrobato.
Ah.
Yeah.
Offa is coming.
Yes.
Offa the other Asabi be.
We want to test my tree and Offa English. We want to see
so Offa
who
will
will win
translate everything
in English. He's very good. He's a professor. I respect him.
I know. I was in school with him.
Wow.
Wow. Wow. Hey, Ampa. You know we cannot argue with you.
We were studying on the field too.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I'm a classmate who are field also.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
We know that. We know that.
It's true.
So we will come.
We.
Yes. When I'm talking we, I'm talking about me and my viewers.
Yeah.
Majority of my viewers. Okay. We will
How
come.
about you?
Huh? We will come. Parrot.
Yeah. Is it when presenter say we will come? Yeah.
We will come.
By the grace of
God. We will come to all of the three.
We will rock you.
We'll be expecting you.
Rock you.
So this is what will happen. If by 7th, if by on the 5th, we did not see you in Lekzy show.
Lekzy show is on the
5th of
on the
April.
5th.
Next week Saturday.
Next week Saturday.
Yes. And this is 19th.
Yes. So
and
you have
you
time
are
to
27.
rest. I'm 27. So if you did not come for this one, we will not argue with you. We will just come here and come and remind you that you did not come for this one.
So I should come for this one.
So you will come for it. Then if you did not come for this one, no need to remind you that you will come from us. So you just sleep.
That means
you are busy.
That means I won't come. But Lekzy, move back. Can we? I am on remind me. This
time around, you better remind me.
What
Because I know, say, like, you've been of support since I started here. My co-comedy show has been so
plenty.
Let's say,
front row.
I was here prompt till because was scared on so you're very tight. This year, I'm sure I'm in September. No, I can't hear bad MC.
On your bad.
Me MC.
Open perform.
Me performer.
And it's on your bad.
But I don't know.
It's on record. Please capture.
It's on record.
Terms and conditions
applied. That one is not a problem, Lekzy.
Oh,
meet me on the
Don't worry. Don't worry.
High sense.
Don't worry. I'll buy 2 high cents.
2 high cents, then we'll give you.
What is you say?
No, there was spice.
There was.
You too. You buy the door spices.
Yes.
Okay.
That's all.
That's all.
No. Kivo.
Aside Kivo.
Amalina. So we are okay. We have booked you.
Ebusa for winning baby. Yeah, baba. 5th, 19th, and 27th.
Thank you.
Yeah, April way there. Don't be a fool in April. But what the animal in now? Inti pastor minimum.
Pastor Ansa. Mamboni diya mikufi amne no asem Pastor Ansa. Ana CEO of Asempa Fie, Mr. John Asempa. Odi 10 years anniversary since Obi in Ejuma. Daddy, mechia bebre.
Who are you greeting?
Oh, mechia, menam for mo supporting me. And Soul Impact family, also me da say Eva virgin coconut oil, so me da say. And I'm also amoti amobe baron so no, me da for the support. I love you.
So this is my camera.
Aye.
I want to specially, by the grace of God, thank Mr. Andy. Thank you very much. Powerful man. That man can give you money and you cry for no reason. I want to thank you. Foster, thank you. And my own man, Osondi Oweni, thank you. The rest of you, the Lord bless you. Peace. Shalom. Bye-bye. Yapon.
Yapon. Hey, who be check them will show you so.
Say, who be invite Nino any your first Kobiche. Kobiche.
Mr. Kwesi.
Kobiche wa heading. Kasa. Kobiche wa heading. Kanchi.
Me who baby wa Kobiche, be me nkasa.
What baby ba kasa?
Oh, mommy, me down so was.
Only maybe. Say me boy. Me won say. Only trumpet.
Only boja wa sem.
What catch me? Me who trumpet?
Only boja wa sem. Only boja wa sem.
Only.
Chaso.
What catch me?
Me dey dey boat.
Me tell Kobiche, me tell papa. Me say aden.
So we plano.
Me fa wo Yesu dimo. In the name of God. What your power?
Ma de mama.
Okay.
Me mpesa
Say
yi.
when wo de wo Yesu dimo.
Enti mommy better ticket saying.
You better ticket pa.
Me fa saying bro.
Me. Na wo kwa mo de mo aba. I say Lekzy who dia dance say mo ba mo break ticket. Yeah, why?
I will. Me bro, VIP ticket 5.
Okay.
The mama studio audience so 5.
Oh wow, powerful.
Enti wo be ma say.
Me pa cho send your kind sound so na me no. 85 studio audience so 10.
Na say.
Na you say I 15.
Wo be ma 15. Lekzy be ma me 5 10. Wo so e.
Okay say.
I can 5.
Okay 5. Okay, copy no wrong.
One can hear bra.
I get you 5.
Wo so aba ma say. Wo be ma say.
Mau. Wow, 5. Enche. Mau 10. Double power. Enche.
Na woni dia asa de oye favor. Me so me de me airtime amount. Ma me asema boy yi kan.
Ma say they say ma me airtime, me ma ticket. Say business transaction.
Na before some be kono. Before some be kono. Dia be bonyo ba kwa mama sa. Na wo me chewa.
Ayiri matalebo. Matala. Ayiri matalebo. Matala.
Yanko.
Matala.
Yes sir.
Yes sir, ye akase be pie woni pani so.
Yes sir.
Mo say wie. Akasa mo fa happy, mo fa happy. Mo fa microphone ngo. O mo say wie o. Akasa o be pie free show no so.
Brothers of Glorious Jesus.
Let's give it up for